Vehicle breakdowns are costly.
It was a thermostat, $2,600.
A valve leak, $3,400.
But with Endurance, you'll never pay out of pocket for car repairs again.
Wait, really?
Really?
It was like almost a $6,000 job. Endurance covered it.
Less than 1 year after signing up, Endurance saved me over $7,000.
Without Endurance, fixing your AC could cost $1,100, your transmission nearly $5,000, your engine $8,000.
It's a bad camera unit, $800 to repair. A bad wheel bearing, over $1,000. New steering rack, close to $3,000.
But with Endurance, your car's most expensive repairs are covered, parts and labor included.
In my first year with Endurance, they covered a $14,000 engine replacement.
I've saved thousands and thousands of dollars.
Plus, Endurance lets you pick any certified mechanic to do the work, or take advantage of their VIP repair network.
We tell them what needs to be fixed, and they just say it's covered.
All right, but does Endurance raise your rate the more claims you file?
No, your rate stays the same no matter how many claims you file.
After I made my first claim to Endurance, I expected my rate to change, and it never did.
Coverage this good must be expensive.
Nope.
Totally beat every other competitor.
If your car's under 20 years old, Endurance has you covered with unlimited miles. Plus, your plan includes 24/7 roadside assistance anywhere in the country.
So, who's gonna pay for your next car repair? You?
Nah, Endurance.
Right now, you can get $300 off any plan, plus a year of elite benefits, a $2,000 value, free. All backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. But you have to act now. Visit EnduranceWarranty.com or call 1-866-268-3234 for a free quote. That's 1-866-268-3234.